Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be getting into the Nike times Undercover Jun Takahashi hoodie. Now, this hoodie retailed at $150. I started this YouTube channel to bring awareness to NikeLab and Nike Tech products, so I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get into the review. Now for sizing on the Nike Undercover hoodie, I went with a double XL. For sizing reference, I'm 6'3", 230 pounds. I rotate between an XL and a double XL, but I really wear an XLT, but it's just impossible to find in any pieces. I do like to wear my stuff a little more oversized. Fit-wise, I would say stick true to size. Unless you like a little more oversized fit like me, then I would say go up a size, obviously. I think this is a pretty dope piece from NikeLab and Undercover. I didn't really hear much about this piece before it released. There's also another colorway of this hoodie that I haven't been able to get, but it comes in white as well. I personally like the black one better, but I would like to get the white one as well. This jacket is not really that heavy. It's made up of 100% polyester. This jacket has a lot of pockets. It has 2 on your arms and then 2 on your chest. Both of the chest pockets do connect to each other. Has your big front pocket. I really like the front pocket. I thought the detail on that was pretty cool. I mean, they added a nice different material on it, so I thought that was really nice. This hoodie does contain thumb holes, and your palms have the same mesh that's on the front pocket. I really like the big swoosh on the front. I thought that was pretty cool. I really like the chaos and the bounce on the shoulders. I thought that was a really nice touch on the back. I think it's a super dope hoodie, and I think it would go well with either one of these, and I think these are really slept on. I will do a review on these. I just haven't worn them yet. I was able to hit both of these off sneakers, so that was pretty nice. These are also Nike times Undercover and Jun Takahashi, and I think that he has some pretty cool pieces out there, and I'll definitely be doing more reviews on some of his other pieces. One thing I really do not like about this hoodie is it got a bunch of dingle balls from washing, and I washed all my pieces delicate and then I let them hang dry, so I was kind of disappointed to see that, especially at a $150 price tag. I mean, that's not too expensive, but it's not really cheap, and I feel like the quality on that is just not that nice. At $150, I think this piece is definitely worth it. I think it's a cool piece to add to your collection. I definitely be wearing a lot more since the shoes came out. I think definitely with wearing the overbreaks, I think this would look really smooth with it. I think the tan or the black colorway would look really good with this hoodie. I think if you're able to obtain this piece, it would be really nice to add to your collection. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This is not a paid video. I'm not sponsored, so I really appreciate if you guys could just hit that like and subscribe. I mean, it'd help a lot. Make sure you guys watch my other reviews. I'll be bringing out a lot more NikeLab and just Nike Tech products that you don't really see that often, and not much reviews. I'll also be touching on shoes, but too many people do shoes, so it's kind of hard for me to want to do that because it's a kind of competitive market, and I kind of want to just bring you guys something different and not something that you can see from everybody. That's really my goal for you guys, just to show you guys stuff that I have in my closet and just help you guys with sizing, fitting, and just are the pieces worth it, and what do I personally think about them since I purchased the pieces, and I figured I'd just help you guys out.
Laugh,